YouTube snags NFL's Sunday ticket rights in latest shift online. Whoo, that's a
big deal.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. Whatever they got to bid for these things, they got to bid against the networks and stuff.
Yeah, everybody's going for the sports.
Oh, did they say the price down there?
I believe so, yeah.
I don't know. Hundreds of millions?
Oh, I think it's $2 billion.
$2 billion. There you go. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense.
Per year.
Alphabet Inc. won the right to broadcast the National Football League Sunday ticket games starting with the 2023 season. See, I don't know how much the Sunday ticket encompasses, becoming the latest tech company to snag a piece of America's most watched sport. The deal is valued at more than $2 billion per year over 7. It's a 7-year deal.
Wow.
NFL Sunday Ticket gives viewers access to games not otherwise airing in their local TV markets. The service will be offered as both an add-on and as a standalone a la carte package. The league said Thursday it will be available on both YouTube TV and YouTube primetime channels. A way to subscribe directly to pay TV channels on YouTube. YouTube TV costs $65 a month, and Sunday Ticket is available through the end of the season from DirecTV currently, and they charge $300 for the package. The NFL will retain the commercial rights to show Sunday Ticket games to bars and restaurants and could sell that to another company, the person added. YouTube TV now has 100 channels. It's the largest online pay TV service with about 5 million subscribers. 5 million people are paying $65 a month for TV on YouTube. Man.
It must have some amazing stuff.
It's TV.
Just regular
It's exactly
TV.
like cable TV.
News, sports.
Just on YouTube.
Some programs.
All the channels you're used to.
NFL or, UFC and stuff? Or do you got to pay for that?
Well, UFC, you would have whatever.
Fight Pass?
Their deal is Fox Sports 1 still. Whatever they put on
okay.
TV, you would have of the UFC. But UFC fight cards are
Sure.
still
They're
pay-per-view, right?
pay-per-view.
The big ones, at least. Yeah. Executives at DirecTV, which had offered Sunday Ticket for nearly 3 decades, have been hoping that whoever wins the rights will cut a side deal with them. The company is losing TV customers at a rapid clip as more people cancel their pay TV subscriptions and has been looking for ways to stem the bleeding. Under such an agreement, DirecTV could help YouTube move Sunday Ticket subscribers to its service, while the satellite TV service would benefit by maintaining a relationship with that customer. Woof! It's big changes. When you get when the football goes online, and it's going to be controversial because people are going to be like, I don't want to watch on YouTube. I remember the MLB.
Really?
Well, the MLB had the relationship. Some games went on Apple TV this past year.
Yeah.
They cut a deal. And every time, because I'm involved with the baseball in the summer, with the youth baseball, people would be like, where do I find this game tonight? And I'd be like, oh, it's on Apple TV. You don't need an Apple TV to watch. I'd just be explaining it. It didn't matter. They're like, that's irritating.
That's confusing, yeah.
I know where I normally watch it. And they would just skip it or something. But obviously, people will change, and
It will be a learning
We're going to
curve.
see more of this going on as this shift continues to move online over here.